Welcome to my commentary series on the 2006 Volkswagen Jetta TDI 5-speed manual transmission complete engine rebuild that I did in my backyard a number of years ago. I think I started this project 6 years ago, actually, which is pretty crazy. This is the beginning of my social media account. I just kind of started posting on different social medias, and this is how Official Worst Mechanic became Official Worst Mechanic. And I know a lot more now than I did when I started that. Of course, you'd hope so. But the videos are really popular. A lot of people still look them up. So I figured let me do a commentary, get some more detail, and maybe start some conversations. Because what a great engine platform! I didn't know how legendary the 1.9 TDI engine was when I bought this car. I just always loved Jetta diesels. Well, one of my friends growing up, his dad had a car dealership. So when we were in high school, we all got our driver's licenses, and he would come with like a new car every couple of days. And one day he came with this red Volkswagen Jetta TDI. And I just started I heard the noise and I learned more about it. And I was like, one day I want to get one of these. And sure enough, so we're going to do a walk around here. I'll start this video. So there she is. I bought this car for $2,000 running and driving. Now, it needed a clutch very, very badly. It barely engaged in first gear. You can see that tail light over there is cracked. The paint is faded. The interior actually is in pretty good condition. I'm pretty sure I opened the door here at some point. But $2,000 running and driving from a really nice couple in New Jersey. And they just didn't need the car anymore. They had a kid. There was a trunk full of Rock Auto parts. You better believe it. I used to be part of a car club, so I had the sticker on there, but pretty minty interior. Look how nice this interior is. Hold on. I love Volkswagen interiors, and I love manual transmissions. And that's probably the best manual transmission I've ever really driven. And pretty clean engine bay. Pretty clean engine bay. It's a 1.9 BRM TDI. Listen, man, it did not sound good. It was super loud. I wasn't sure what to expect. I'm sitting here thinking, oh, that's probably just how they sound. And come to find out, you'll see later in the series what was really making all that noise. But man, this thing ran like a champ. I drove it probably like 1,000 miles before I started the engine rebuild. But I had all the parts on it. I had like a service record, 2 years worth of service records. Timing belt was done. A bunch of other big jobs were done. There was a lot of electrical repair on the engine harness, as I found out as I was kind of doing the build. But let me tell you something. If anyone loves diesels and wants to get into being a mechanic as a hobby or as a profession, get yourself one of these for a couple of reasons. Okay, one, if you could fix a German car, if you could solve problems on a German car, you could fix anything. Okay, maybe anything except a Land Rover or a Range Rover, but I'm sure that's up in the air. If you enjoy working on these things, if you enjoy the challenge, then you've got the disease it takes to become a mechanic or an auto enthusiast, and something about these diesels, dude. Something about these diesels, they just make sense. I think that even the culture, the people around them, the culture around them, I think is really nice comparatively within the European car culture. I like the Volkswagen diesel guys and gals out there. They're a lot of fun. Lots of resources online. I did end up finding the full engine workshop manual online. It did take me a while because I had to find the free version because, of course, I didn't have any money. And I sat there and kind of just read through everything for a number of months while I saved up money to buy all the parts that I needed to do everything. But this is it. This is day one. And welcome to the series. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if there's anything you want me to talk about specifically. Let me know what you want to see down in the comments. And I appreciate any interaction with the video. So I'll see you in the next one.